Oh my God. Guys, look at it. The RMS Titanic. It's literally right in front of me. It's so much bigger than I ever imagined. The scale of this thing is impossible to capture on camera. It's like a floating skyscraper. How did they even build this back in 1912? Okay, I'm literally standing here right now, vlogging from the Titanic. The vibes are absolutely immaculate. I can't even process this. But also, why is no one talking about how huge? Oh no.
This guy is not happy. He's looking at my hoodie like I just insulted his grandmother.
Sorry. Sir, I am so sorry. I didn't see you there. Please, carry on. I'll just stand over here. Very sorry. And that, my friends, is how you almost get thrown off the Titanic before it even sets sail. But we're here. Stay tuned. History is not what they taught you in school. Okay, guys, I somehow snuck past security and I'm now in first class. Look at this woodwork. The wood is so smooth and warm. You can just feel the craftsmanship. They don't build things like this anymore. It's pure art. And look up. That glass dome is letting in this gorgeous golden light. It feels like a cathedral, not a ship. I can't even handle this view. Check out the dining room. Silver spoons, fine china, crystal glasses. These people were eating.
He just asked if I was lost. He said this area is for first-class passengers only. Super awkward. I'm literally dying inside right now.
We have to leave, now. Let's go before they throw me in the ship's jail. I can't even. Goodbye, fancy stairs. It was nice while it lasted. Okay, it's late at night, freezing cold. I'm just looking at the water. It's so dark and quiet out here. Creepy vibes, honestly. Whoa! What was that? The whole ship just lurched. I almost dropped my phone. That was terrifying. Wait, look at my shoes. The deck is flooding. Water is on the deck. This is not normal. This is really, really bad. My sneakers are ruined. Do you see that? Out there, in the distance. That massive white thing. That's an iceberg. They hit an iceberg. Oh my God. People are coming out of their rooms. They're running everywhere. I've never seen panic like this. Everyone is screaming. This is chaos.
Guys, I know exactly what happens tonight. I know the history, I know the date. It's April 14th, 1912. Oh my God, this is the night. The Titanic is sinking. I'm actually standing here. History is happening right now, and I am so scared. This is real. This is really happening. I'm running. I don't know where I'm going. The ship is tilting. I can barely stand up straight. This is insane. I made it to the lifeboats. They're lowering them down. Women and children are going first. It's so chaotic. I can hear people crying everywhere.
No! A crewman just grabbed me. He's shouting at me to get on the lifeboat. He's trying to save me, but I can't.
Hama!
No! I can't. I can't get on that boat. I know what's going to happen, but I can't just leave all these people behind.
Look at all those people. They don't know what's coming. I know I can't change history, but I can't just save myself and leave them.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry to everyone here. I wish I could warn you. I wish I could save you all. I feel so completely helpless. This is the worst feeling in the world. I just have to watch. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
The ship is tilting so steeply now. I can barely hold on. It's going down. It's actually going down. This is the end.
Look at the stars. They look exactly the same as they do back home in 2025. Beautiful, cold, unchanging.
History is not what they taught you in school, guys. It's not just dry paragraphs and dates in a textbook.
It's real. It's so messy. It's full of real people with real stories, real fears, and real hope.
And standing here, in the middle of one of the biggest tragedies in history, I'll never forget what I saw tonight. I'll never forget them.
Signing off from this historic place. Stay curious, stay human,
And please,
never, ever forget what happened here.
signing off. Goodbye.